The wow! Stuffed Disney Stitch Puppetronic by RealFX is a remarkable blend of animatronics and puppetry that brings the beloved character Stitch from Disney's Lilo and Stitch to life in an incredibly realistic and interactive way. This product stands out because it combines over 100 different actions and sound combinations, allowing for a wide range of expressive behaviors that mimic the character's unique alien voice and personality. The puppet features blinking and squinting eyes, a moving mouth, a turning head, floppy ears, and multiple touch sensors on the nose, head, and tongue, which trigger various sounds and responses. This level of detail creates an engaging and dynamic experience for users, especially fans of the character. Measuring 18 inches tall, the Stitch Puppetronic is a substantial size, making it perfect for hugs, imaginative play, and display. It comes with a beautiful alien capsule-inspired window display case and a limited first edition certificate, adding collector value and making it a special keepsake for Disney enthusiasts. The softness of the fur and the quality of the materials contribute to its appeal as a cuddly companion. One of the key features of this product is its dual play mode, which merges animatronics with hand-controlled puppetry. The head is designed to be controlled by the user's hand inserted into the back, while several levers inside allow for the manipulation of eyes, ears, and mouth movements. This design offers a highly interactive experience where the puppet's reactions depend on the user's hand movements and finger placements. For example, closing the eyes while moving the mouth can make Stitch coo affectionately. Scratching his head elicits loving sounds, and wiggling ears and mouth can make him act mischievous. The puppet's vocalizations include Stitch's iconic growls, giggles, and unique alien language, adding authenticity to the interaction. Users have praised the Puppetronic for its realistic look and feel, with many noting that it closely resembles the character from the show. The extensive range of sounds and movements keeps playtime fresh and entertaining. Children and adults alike have found joy in the puppet's lifelike expressions and sounds. The product has been described as one of the coolest Disney toys available, with the ability to create imaginative stories and performances that bring laughter and delight. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. The puppet requires hand operation, which means it is not an autonomous robotic toy. This aspect was not always clear to all buyers, leading to some initial confusion. The head is relatively heavy, which can cause hand fatigue during extended use, particularly for smaller hands. Some users have found it challenging for younger children to operate the levers and controls effectively, as the puppet is better suited for older children or adults with larger hands. Additionally, Stitch does not sit upright on his own due to the weight distribution, so users often need to prop him up with pillows or other support. The sound level of Stitch's vocalizations is quite loud, which may require breaks during play to avoid overstimulation. Despite this, the puppet's engaging responses and interactive features make it a favorite among children who love Stitch and the Lilo and Stitch series. The product is recommended as a birthday or Christmas gift for Disney fans and puppet enthusiasts, offering a unique combination of softness, realism, and electronic interactivity. In terms of value, the Puppetronic is priced on the higher end, with some buyers noting that it is more affordable when purchased on sale. The quality of construction and the extensive features justify the price for those seeking a premium interactive Disney toy. The inclusion of the limited edition certificate adds to its appeal as a collectible item. Overall, the wow! Stuffed Disney Stitch Puppetronic by RealFX is an impressive and charming product that delivers a highly interactive and authentic Stitch experience. It excels in design, sound variety, and the ability to engage users in creative play. While it requires some manual operation and may be better suited for older children and adults, it remains a standout choice for fans of the character and those looking for a unique animatronic puppet. If you own this item, leaving a review in the comments will help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for interested viewers.